High in an emerald jungle, where sunlight danced through the leaves, lived a bright green parrot named Kiko. Kiko loved to explore, always curious about the world beyond his favorite trees. One morning, as he flew through the canopy, something below caught his eye, a soft golden glow. Beneath a twisted old tree lay a golden apple, shining like captured sunlight. Kiko landed and gently pecked it. At once, the jungle seemed to breathe again. Leaves grew greener, flowers bloomed. Life returned with a quiet hum of magic. But Kiko did not keep the apple. Instead, he carried it to the driest part of the jungle. When the apple touched the ground, light spread everywhere. Plants rose, birds returned, and the land came alive once more. From that day on, Kiko was known not for his bright feathers, but for his golden heart.